Hi, I'm Nona, and this is NonnasHere. And today, I have the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. I just got it yesterday, so I am right on it. It comes saran wrapped. It's usually in blue. It's a quarterly box, so it comes 4 times a year. It costs $6.98. That's for the box and the shipping. All right, so gonna open it up, and this is what it looks like. There's a little brochure on the top, and it says Sunshine in a Box. Gonna open it up, and inside are some of the products that you may get in your box. And on the back is a code to take a quick survey online and a coupon for $2 off any Rimmel product. Right there. Now the nice thing is everything that's in the beauty box from Walmart, you can also buy at Walmart. So let's see what I got. Now in my experience with the Walmart beauty box, which I've been getting for several years, is that I always get one full-size product. And that product, the retail value, always is at least as much or more than the price of the box. So for me, it's always well worth it. And then I always get about 4 sample products. And they may be deluxe sample size or mini sample size. That's my experience in getting the Walmart beauty box. So it's always worth it to me. So let's see. And I feel like really fast because I think I'm one of the first to get the Walmart beauty box and put a video out. Now I know MaryCatherineLovesCats did a video just the other day. She's getting 2 boxes, and she showed her first box, which was a different version than mine. My version, this box is version 3. So you get different versions, and there's different things in each version box. She got version 5. This is version 3. So go over and look at MaryCatherineLovesCats version 5. She's getting a second box, and she said it's going to be a different version than her version 5. So I feel like I'm really on top of things to get my box video out so quickly, because usually I don't do that. Now yesterday, today's Tuesday, I had to wait until the Blue Angels got done doing their show. They do shows every Tuesday and Thursday, and they buzz our condo, and they're quite noisy. And even with the windows, the sliding glass doors closed, we can hear them. Now we don't pay any attention to them because we hear them all the time, but the microphone does pick it up. So I wanted to wait until they were done doing their show. So they're finished now. But yes, Monday, Grumpy Grandpa and I did a video, was posted yesterday. We actually did it on Father's Day. And I posted it yesterday. And that's an extra large Temu haul. And a lot of the things are really from Temu, all right, with the free shipping. So don't miss that one. I'll put the link down below. Also, I'm involved in 2 giveaways, which I'll tell you about in just a minute because you aren't going to want to miss those. But let's do the Walmart beauty box. Okay, so let's see what I got. So the first thing here I see, gotta put on my glasses, is the Sun Bum Premium Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion with an SPF of 30. All right. Now, this is a sample, 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, and full size is 6 ounces for $16.48. Smells like summer. This moisturizing sunscreen formula will protect your skin from harmful UVA, UVB rays while enriching your skin with vitamin E. Water resistant and great for all skin types. Now, it's probably sealed. No, it's not. Let's take a little smell if I can get some out. I don't know whether I can get some out or not. Hold on. Yeah, it is sealed. But I'm gonna give this to Grumpy Grandpa because he's been doing a lot of golfing and he needs to put this on his face. So this is a good thing. This is a good product. Sun Bum, 30 SPF, 1 fluid ounce. I like that. That's a thumbs up for me. All right, the next thing in here is Whole Body Deo by Dove. Now, I like Dove. This is a deodorant stick. All day odor control. All right, anti-chafe. All right, that's what it looks like right there. And this says Dove Coconut and Vanilla. I like coconut and vanilla. I like coconut to smell. I don't like it to eat. Anti-friction stick, anti-chafe deodorant for all over 72-hour odor protection and skincare with coconut and vanilla scent. So let's smell it, see if I can get the top off. Oh, I did, good. Okay, it's a roll up. All right. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Now, this is the perfect size for travel. All right, it is. How big is it? Did I tell you? I can't read it. Hold on. It's $11.99 for 2.6 ounces, full size. This is, geez, yeah, it says on here. Gosh, I can't read it. I can't read it. It's in gray on top of white. It smells really good, but now I'm gonna tell you something. Before I put this in my travel bag, I am gonna try it because this is what can happen. You put it in your travel bag and you haven't used it. And sometimes we go away for like 2 or 3 days and this would be the perfect size, right? But say we go away and I have this as my deodorant for the 2 or 3 days and I have a reaction, which normally I wouldn't with Dove. But say I did, I had a reaction, or I really didn't like the scent, all right? Here I am away for 2 or 3 days with this as my deodorant. So before I take something that I've never tried before in my travel bag, I try it first to make sure I'm not gonna have a reaction and that I like it. Then after I've used it and I see no reaction, I like it, then I put it in my travel bag because I don't want to get stuck being away with a product that I don't have a backup because I thought it would be just fine and it's not working for me. So that's just a little tip. Okay, what else do I have in here? Eva New York City Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. Now this is nice, 2 fluid ounces, 6 milliliters. Eva, I didn't read it right. Eva New York City Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. A full size is 5 ounces. This is 2 fluid ounces. That's a pretty nice deluxe sample. Leave-in conditioner. Now this is nice because you know if you go out and you're in the sun or sand and I don't shampoo my hair that often. It's colored and I only shampoo it about once a week. But maybe I just want to rinse it and then get out and use some leave-in conditioner. This would be lovely. Also to take on travel. And so I'll try it before I put it in my travel bag. This is really nice, another thumbs up. So far I have 3 thumbs up. Okay, what is this? Extreme Lush Luxuriant Volume up to 24-hour wear by CoverGirl. Now, I like CoverGirl. Lash Blast Cleantopia Clean Mascara. And it's in the color Extreme Black. And this, I think, is gonna be stupid. Hourglass Slush Brush. Now, it sells, this is a mini sample. Full size is $10.98 for 0.32 ounces at CoverGirl. Plant-powered clean mascara with up to 300% extreme lush volume. Now, I like the concept, but look at this. All right? How many uses am I going to get out of this? Maybe one. Let's look at it. All right, I like the brush. It's kind of, thick, then thin, then thick. All right, so I like the brush. I like the concept. I like CoverGirl. But maybe I'll get 2 uses out of it, and I'm not sure that's gonna be enough for me to decide whether I really like it or not, all right? This is kind of stinky, all right? It's okay, but it's kind of stinky. All right, so it came in a little folder. So, All right, so what is my full-size item? My full-size item is a Tangled Tweezer, the Essential Detangler Natural Curly Brush. Full size is $12.97. So see, that more than paid for my cost of my box, which was $6.97. Detangling Hairbrush, the essential brush for healthy looking hair and defined curls. This is really nice. Let me see if I can get it open. Sienna has decided to get on my lap and see if there's anything else in this box that she needs to check out. It came in a pretty color purple. Quick and effortless detangling, enhances curl pattern, defines wet curls, slip handle with grip. So there it is. This is nice. Okay, there's the handle. That's nice. There's this. Do you see that? Do you like that? Is that pretty? Pretty color, huh, Sienna? She likes purple. All right. Now this is, I think this is great. This is a great full-size item, $12.98. So I think I got a great box. I'd give this box a 4.8 out of 5 because I think, where'd it go? All right, thumbs up on the leave-in conditioner, thumbs up on the Sunbum 30 SPF, thumbs up on the Dove deodorant, all-day odor control, double thumbs up on my full-size item, and minus 202 points for the CoverGirl mascara. So I give it a 4.8 out of 5. It's a good box. It definitely was worth the $6.98. All right. Now let me tell you, there's 2 giveaways going on right now. So don't go away. Hang on while I tell you quickly about these 2 giveaways. First of all, we just started the Temu Summer Vibes. There's 7 of us, 7 channels, 7 chances for a giveaway. MaryCatherineLovesCats is the hostess, and the videos are very short. You want to check them all out. I'll put the link below. My giveaway is, we were to think about summer, and my giveaway is a full tablescape of things for summer with a beautiful table runner, 3 little mini lights, a real pretty little ceramic shell dish, some starfish. Now the starfish are from the Dollar Tree, but everything else is from Temu. Some different colored blue, different tones of blue and white beads with a seashell on one end and a starfish on the other, and some beautiful blue eucalyptus leaves with some white and blue pom-pom flowers. And that'll be my giveaway. That's what I show. And everybody has a different thing to give away. Some of them are gift cards. There's all different things. So you want to be sure and check out the Temu Summer Vibes collaboration with the 7 channels and the 7 giveaways. It's a great collaboration. My second giveaway, you still have a couple days to get into this. It's under the channel. Watch your claw here to get into me there, girlfriend. Is under the Temu haul. It's called Another Great Temu Haul. And on that one, you get someone to subscribe to NonnasHere, and they watch the video. And it's important because I'm going to tell you something in just a minute. And this is important, so don't go away, because this is really important. They watch the video, they subscribe to NonnasHere, and then they make a comment that says, I am a new subscriber, I was invited by, and your username. Then you're entered into the contest. And if your new subscriber is picked, the new subscriber wins a prize and you win a prize. And the prizes are those travel makeup bags stuffed with goodies, okay? And so that's real easy, and still have a couple days to enter that giveaway. Now, what I want to tell you that's really important, if you want to be a new subscriber, like on the Temu Summer Vibes, you have to watch the videos, because this is what has just happened to me. My subscriber count went up, and then it went down. And I know what's happened. People have gone in and become new subscribers, but they didn't watch the video. They hit new subscribers and they made a comment. And Temu thinks, well, Temu doesn't think, Temu's a platform, but the algorithm in YouTube looks at those and thinks that's a robot, that it's not a real person. And so they delete those new subscribers as being robots, not real people. So if you want to be a new subscriber on a channel, you have to watch the video. Otherwise, the algorithm in YouTube deletes your subscription, okay? And that's what's just happened to me, because my subscriber count went up and then it came down, and I know what happened. People went in, clicked new subscriber, made a little comment, and YouTube algorithm said that's not a real person and scratched the new subscriber. So you do have to watch the videos in order to make your new subscriber status stick. That's really important, and that way your subscriber status will stick and you'll really be in the giveaways for whatever. Then that's not just my channel, that's all the channels, and that's important, okay? All right, I hope you liked my Walmart beauty box unboxing. If you did, please make a comment down below, because that really helps my channel, and give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you again very soon at NonnasHere. Bye.